Noon, phone lines are finally back up and working for several local police departments and hospitals. News 4's Melissa Holmes is live and has been tracking down the problem of what happened this morning. Melissa.
Well, Victoria, we were first alerted to the problem at about 7:45 this morning when an emergency physician called the newsroom to say that he couldn't get through to any Catholic Health System hospitals. That includes Kenmore Mercy, South Buffalo Mercy, Sisters Hospital, and here at the St. Joseph campus. Well, we soon found out that the problem was much more widespread. The Catholic Health System tells us that the problem originated with their phone system vendor called Level 3 Communications. Now, something went wrong, so no one could make incoming or outgoing calls at any of the hospitals. Internal calls, however, within the hospitals were functioning just fine, and they say at no time was patient care interrupted. Now, within minutes of learning about Catholic Health's phone problems, we also learned that the phone lines were down for the City of Tonawanda Police Department, the North Tonawanda Police Department, and the West Seneca Police Department. They were really relying just on 911 for their emergency calls.
It is a problem. It's not something that we would like to have happen, but as long as the 911s were up, at least we can operate for emergencies, and that's what's really important.
It's rare to have an outage this global. I think the last outage this global was the October storm, and we all know what happened to that, whether it was fuel for nursing homes or phone outages. So we try and control what's within our circle of control, but we also plan for everything.
So in all, the police departments and the hospital's phone lines were down for about 2 hours. They were back up and running at about 10 o'clock this morning. Now, of course, we've placed calls to Level 3 Communications to find out exactly what went wrong. We're hearing it may have been a fiber optic cable that somehow was damaged, but we're still waiting for calls back from Level 3. We'll be tracking it throughout the day and bring you the latest tonight on News 4 at 5 and 6. Reporting live at the St. Joseph campus of Sisters Hospital in Cheektowaga, Melissa Holmes, News 4 at noon.